Sukam. Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Divya Sonke from Standard 8. Today, Sandipani House is going to be presented in today's assembly. So, here I would like to welcome Shri from Standard 6 to tell today's day and date.
Good morning, respected principal sir, all the teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Shri Jacob, I am studying in 6th standard. Today I am going to tell day and date. Today's day is Wednesday, date 24th July 2024. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Shreya. Yes, friends, every day we have to start with positive thought. Thought reflects on our body. So, to tell today's thought, I would like to call Sanvi from Standard 5th.
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am going to present in front of you thought of the day. So today's thought is forgiveness is the noble virtue. It means as human beings are liable to mistake, we should forgive them for the progress. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Samar to tell today's day in history.
Good morning to one and all present over here. My name is Samar Sadashiv Chowle, studying in 7th standard. Today I am going to present in front of you this day in the history. Today on 24th July, National Thermal Engineering Day is observed, which recognizes the importance of advancing the thermal engineering industry. Second, 24th of July 1950, it is observed as the US 5th Air Force Day. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Thank you, Samar. As we all know, news are the mirror of our society. News tells us what is happening around us. So to tell today's news headlines, I would like to call Gauravi from Standard 7.
A very warm morning to one and all. I, Gauravi, studying in Standard 7, here to inform you about what's going on in the world, that is today's headlines. National news. First, hope justice will finally be served, says Faizan's brother after Delhi HC order. Second, Delhi police gets rupees 11,400 crore in budget and rupees 531 crore less than a year. International news. First, China FM Wang Yi says Palestinian factions agree to set up reconciliation government. Second, Kamala Harris secures the support of enough Democratic delegates to become party's presidential nominee. Thank you and have a great day.
Now I request Avni from Standard 6 to come forward and say today's vocabulary of the day.
Good morning, respected one and all present here. My name is Avni Abhishek and I am studying in Standard 6. Today I am going to tell the vocabulary of the day. The vocabulary word is gradually. I spell my word Gradually. It means slowly. The sentence is we shall learn Sanskrit gradually. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.